Alright, rolling. Not too hot. And that sounded like some
I need the other piece too.
tap.
Oh, yeah, thanks. You're gonna make me do all of this?
Sorry.
Pick it up.
I got glass in my mouth.
Yeah, you bit it too hard.
Look at it. I broke it even more.
You're fine. Alright, just hold it. You know the drill.
Ah!
Alright, you ready? You know the drill.
Zoomed in. There we go. Oh my god, I can't believe.
Alright, you ready to hold it?
I need a new phone.
Ready?
Oh my ear.
Oh my god!
Where? I can't.
Oh, it went halfway through the field.
Let me just. Yeah, hold this. Let me just. Don't end it. Just let me. I'll be fine. Just. Ow, my ear.
You should have been wearing your protective.
Oh god.
Also need a potato.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah, this is juicy. I got a juicy one. He's dead.
My ears. Yep, that's killer. I'll hold it. There we go. Be aware there is a shop. Hey, you're wearing my shoes.
Yep. I thought you were wearing sandals.
Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna wear my sandals because there is now a sharp piece of glass somewhere. And not only that, it was in my mouth because I bit the phone too hard. I was trying to hold it for you guys. I actually cracked the phone even more. That was really fast. This time
I'm doing rocket style.
hold on. Wait a couple of seconds when you put it in so that I can get like a good angle on you. So when you do it, don't, just to make the video interesting. I think that went in too far.
No, it didn't.
Oh,
That's what she said.
Okay, so put it.
Oh,
No, Kyle, put it on your shoulder so I can do like a.
hang on, we forgot to take this off.
I know, but just put it on your shoulder right now, and don't. Yeah, there we go. And then I do this.
Man, I am not doing it like this. This is gonna hurt my ears.
You wanna wear these?
Yeah, we had to take this off though.
Alright. I can't believe I
Stocky
cracked
mushrooms.
my phone. Yes, Dad.
I can't get it open.
I'm not holding this phone.
I can't get it open. I need you. I need your arms.
Oh yes.
Come on.
Hold on.
Yeah, where are them pliers? Oh! Woo! I got an extra longie.
Oh, God. I'm pulling that out of my video. When is that going to my video?
Oh, are you looking for these? They work.
No, big enough.
Yes.
It's a big. Almost left you guys.
Alright, I need you to.
Might want to move Is it gonna explode?
No, okay. Oh, perfect.
Don't worry, I'll edit in the explosion. Didn't we already do that? It's making a foam.
Alright, good. I can hold it.
Ready? I'm getting my. Don't!
No, I'm not.
If you do, you're a scumbag.
Alright, you ready to hold it? Ready?
Yep.
Oh, gosh! Oh!
I didn't catch it.
Huh? Nobody was out there. And how are they gonna catch like a 5-ton?
No. I didn't catch it on video.
Okay.
It's too fast.
I'll get another one.
It's.
You want to do that one?
Alright, the video's already too long. See you guys in next.